Hey YouTube, it is Easy Prepper 101, and today I'm gonna show you what I got in total of my 6-month subscription of Crate Club, and then as a bonus, we're gonna show you the second part, which I think you're definitely gonna want to stick around and watch just to kind of see. So you're gonna definitely see reason why, in my opinion, Crate Club is not worth it. And if there was a video like this showing people, and if I could see this before I made that decision, it would have helped me out and saved me money. And so if I can save you guys money, that's what I'm all about. I'm all about trying to help people out, save money, and moving forward, that's what this is. So I'm gonna do a quick rundown of everything that we got from Crate Club from the first month to the very last month. The first month, we actually got the Gerber neck knife here, which I actually thought was pretty decent because of the price, and you got a sticker. I was like, okay, that's not bad. The second month, we got the rat's tourniquet holder that goes on your belt, the actual rat's tourniquet itself, and then like this little tool set, which was not really like kind of worth it or whatever. But that's when I got this is when it kind of really started to go downhill. Then the next month, this is the only thing you got. This was when I actually was like, I can't do this anymore because, this is all you got was this ready-made stove, this 6-pack. This was all you got for $35, and they were claiming this to be something. The next month actually wasn't too bad. I mean, you got one massive wet wipe, which is not bad, and you got a flashlight, which is not, okay, but... And then the second to last month, we got the airlock, metallic edition, and the deck of playing cards. And then the last one we just got was this kind of a sunglasses holder case. You can kind of clean it, and you kind of got the Gerber knife here, which actually is not bad. I really haven't had a chance to really dive into this to really look at it, but this was actually a pretty good, sorry, not in focus, but really good. In my opinion, just to kind of go over everything that I think what Crate Club could have done to kind of, box these up so it looks like you're getting your money's worth when you're spending $35 a month, is they easily could have taken the neck knife here with like the rat's tourniquet and not that. That could have been like 1 month's box. And if that would have been it, that would have been okay. Then for the next month, if we would have got like these two ready man, the wet wipes and the flashlight, I would have been like, okay. And then, for the next one, the deck of playing cards, the food sealer, the glasses holder, and the knife, probably, I would have been like, okay, that's not bad if they were kind of lumping these all together, but they're not. A lot of them, like I just showed you, they weren't. So now I'm going to show you my version of Crate Club that I was getting to show, hey, this is what you can actually get for your $35. So as you can see, this is a very small amount of equipment and gear that you got. And so now granted, I am still going to be doing my May version of this just to have it, but that's not in this, but that is coming out. So we're going to pick the tripod up here, and I don't know if we're going to be able to get this all in there. We'll have to do a little painting. As you can see, that is all of the gear. I'll zoom this out here. That is all the gear that I pretty much picked up for doing my versions of Crate Club. And that was this was 3 months, and I'm still going to do one more. This is a 3 months of supplies and stuff that Crate Club could be giving to us, but they chose not to. And I understand companies need to make a profit, but there's other subscription boxes out there that you definitely get your money's worth out there. And some of them are not survival stuff, and some are, but they're, Crate Club is not good. And as you can see from my version of Crate Club that I bought, it definitely supersedes. I mean, just to comparison, there's my version, and then there's the little version. So I would be more, if Crate Club was the only monthly subscription box out there, I would tell you not to go with them. Go with another, try to find another group, or take the time, do the research, and pick up items. Maybe challenge yourself. Hey, I want to do a fire. I want to do flashlights. I need to do lights, and whatever it could be to challenge yourself. If you don't have the money to get a subscription like Crate Club or some of the other ones, and you only have, let's say, $15 or $20 that you can really to take towards prepping, challenge yourself to be like, okay, hey, go to like Bass Pro, go to Walmart, go to Amazon, check out those websites. Be like, hey, I got 20 bucks. What can I get? So excuse me for that, for the cough. But once again, as you can see, my version versus theirs. As you can see, there's really no comparison. If I would have gotten stuff like this from Crate Club, I think I would have been a lot more happier. But we're gonna move on from Crate Club. We're done with them, and I don't think I will go back to them anytime soon unless they really change it. I have decided on who I'm going to be getting a next monthly subscription for. Stay tuned for that. But once again, as you can see, the vast difference of, you know, my Crate Club versus there. And if you haven't, go check out all of the videos that I have for the Crate Club. I'm gonna put them in the description from Crate Club, and I'll try to put in the description the my versions of Crate Club, so you guys can just go off of this video and just find them and just to see. And hopefully this helps you out to show that, hey, be very prepared on who you're gonna go with. So as you can see, bam, bam, and we're just gonna kind of end it on this shot right here, because it's, you know, it's kind of sad, you know, when you're spending your hard-earned money, you know, you're expecting good quality products, and you know, some of the products are good, like Gerber, but in the end, you know, you kind of get what you get. And I thank you for all the comments that people are saying. Thank you so much for posting this, what you're getting. I was getting ready to buy it, and because of your video, I'm not going to buy it. Thank you for saving money. And that's what you know, I'm all about, is trying to help people how to save money. Is it a good product? Is it not a good product? And is it going to be beneficial for you as a prepper, or whatever your prepping needs might be? So write down in the comments section. I'm anxiously to hear what you guys have to think of between Crate Club's, their 6-month versus my, like, I think 4-month version that I haven't done yet, but it's 3 months, just so hopefully just to see what you guys think. Write those in those comments section. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much, and we will catch you guys down the road.